To replace this taillight, you actually have to go in the trunk, and there's a little cover right behind it that you have to pop off. That gives you access to all three 10mm nuts. There's one nut right here. Take that one off. They're a little tricky to get to just because you have to hold this door open, but once you break it free, you can just take it off by hand. There's another one up top here, right by the cargo hook. Take that nut off, and then straight down from this one, which is really hard to show because it's underneath the carpet here, but you can get a wrench. It's right here. Take it off by hand. Now you can come out here, pull the taillight straight out. You can't pull the taillight very far because the harness is pretty tight. You can unplug your old bulbs. Just twist them all out. And you can fish them out through the seal. And out comes your old taillight. This is a perfect time to put in some new bulbs if you think you need them. So reconnect all these bulbs here. Lock them in. Line up the new taillight with the mounting stud holes. Perfect. Now let's get the nuts on. Now from the back, start in the 3 nuts. And snug them all up. Don't make them super tight because it's very easy to break these very small studs. All right, once that's done, go ahead and close this little door and give your taillights a test.